YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion, the big three video platforms. Which one is the absolute best for you in 2024? Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter, and today we're diving deep into the world of online video platforms. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is your perfect match, and I'm gonna break it down for you. The pros, the cons, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's get started. So I'm gonna compare these three platforms with 5 segments. And let's start with the audience size. See, YouTube is the king here among the others. It has a massive online hangout where over 1 billion people come to watch videos every single day. It's so popular that it's the world's second biggest search engine right after Google. No doubt people love it because it's free and has tons of stuff to watch. Next up is Dailymotion, kind of like YouTube's little brother. It's got a solid 300 million users around the world, and those users watch a whopping 3.5 billion videos every month. Vimeo is the smallest here with about 170 million users. It's more of a niche platform, but that's actually a good thing. It's known for having a super supportive community where people actually give thoughtful feedback on videos. If you're looking for quality over quantity, Vimeo might be your place. So why has YouTube become so popular? Well, it's because of its pricing. YouTube still offers free hosting that is accompanied by unlimited storage and thus attracts a lot of users. Dailymotion is also free and has multiple options for ads, although it has a limitation regarding the amount of videos you can upload daily. The number is 96, and also a video can't be longer than 60 minutes. On the other hand, Vimeo has multiple membership options and the ranges from free to paid, all with different prices. It doesn't have ads like the other two websites, but limits storage. So how can these platforms be beneficial for you, and how do they help both the platform and the creators earn money? All of these three platforms have different approaches regarding ads. On YouTube, you may find many ad formats which are both skippable and not. Content creators can join the YouTube partnership program once they achieved the requirements, which are currently these. On the other hand, Dailymotion is very similar to YouTube with display, in-stream, and rich media ads. Also, creators can sell videos through OpenVOD. But on Vimeo, there are no ads, and it earns money from charging users for hosting videos. This makes it a good option for those who dislike ads. But now let's talk about a tool that will help you create content for all of these three platforms. The Wondershare UniConverter is a multimedia tool that can save you a ton of time. This versatile video toolkit is a useful solution for all your video needs. It converts videos into a wide range of formats. It supports over 1,000 ones, so I can't possibly list all of them. It can help you to burn your favorite videos from Vimeo, Dailymotion, and YouTube onto DVDs. You can also easily download videos from these platforms and over 10,000 other popular online sharing sites. This tool includes essential video editing features such as trimming, cropping, adding watermarks or subtitles, which can help you to personalize your videos. And even after editing, you can directly upload your videos to Vimeo and YouTube. In addition, this software offers a range of bonus features including screen recording, CD birding, AI features, video or audio compression, GIF creation, and so on. So make sure that you check it out. It's available for both Windows and Mac. So if you're interested, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Now, if we talk about privacy, all three video platforms prioritize user privacy and offer multiple controls to manage who can see your content. YouTube provides 3 main options: unlisted, which is accessible only through a direct link; private, which is viewable only by you and specific users you choose; and public, which is open for anyone to watch. Similarly, Dailymotion's privacy settings is very much close to YouTube. You can also find the same features like unlisted, private, and public options. But additionally, Dailymotion offers password protected videos, which requires viewers to enter a code to access the content. Vimeo is a bit different. It offers similar privacy settings to YouTube and Dailymotion, including public, private, and password protected options, but it also allows you to share videos exclusively with people you follow on the platform or through a private link, similarly to YouTube's unlisted option. Lastly, if we talk about the analytics, then YouTube offers their creators a detailed and free analytics for videos and channels, where Dailymotion limits analytics to monetized content. And Vimeo provides basic analytics on all plans, mostly more with paid ones. So which one will you choose for your usage? Let me know in the comment section. All of these three platforms have their own capabilities, advantages, disadvantages. In my opinion, YouTube is the most convenient one, but Dailymotion or Vimeo are also good options. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you've got the basic differences between YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion, and that you'll check out the UniConverter. Let me know which one is your favorite. Make sure that you leave a like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.